You're watching Roam Tips. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links from this Giffgaff review, including the products I mentioned and my personal usage experience, are down in the description below. Giffgaff, a UK mobile provider, stands out for its adaptable, contract-free SIM plans and competitive pricing. Utilizing the O2 network, Giffgaff delivers robust 4G and 5G coverage throughout most of the UK, making it a dependable option for a wide range of users. The real gem of Giffgaff is its goodie bag system. These prepaid plans offer everything from economical low data choices to unlimited data packages, all without locking you into a long-term contract. This flexibility is perfect for students, freelancers, or anyone seeking complete control over their mobile expenses. Another significant benefit is the monthly plan adjustment feature. You can modify or even pause your plan each month, providing unparalleled flexibility to match your fluctuating data needs. Plus, Giffgaff supports EU roaming, enabling you to utilize your UK allowances in numerous European countries without incurring additional charges. Giffgaff's community-based support model is another distinctive characteristic. Customer service is primarily facilitated through an online forum, eliminating the traditional call center. This approach helps keep costs down, but it might not suit everyone, particularly those who prefer direct interaction with customer service representatives. For those in the market for a new device, Giffgaff offers unlocked phones with financing options, providing a convenient avenue for acquiring affordable devices with flexible payment plans. While coverage is generally strong, it's worth noting that signal strength in rural locations might be weaker compared to providers like EE or Vodafone. In summary, Giffgaff is an excellent option for budget-minded individuals seeking a straightforward, flexible mobile plan with respectable coverage and no contractual obligations. Have you used Giffgaff? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the most recent deals and special offers.